All right, folks, welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. And after we set up that MetaMask wallet, I guess I'll go ahead and recap that here. Let's just pull it up. You click on the MetaMask icon within the top right of the browser on Google Chrome. You then type in your password. And then we're in the account here. As you can see over here, I did note the details. And again, if you're going to do this, note your details, save them in a file offline, like on a USB device or drive, or some sort of a password manager that's stored on that local USB drive. Again, ideally encrypted with a secure password manager. So let's go ahead and click that again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to configure this wallet and create an Ethereum email account with a decentralized identity. So let's go over to ethmail.cc. And again, I think this is one of the coolest projects I've seen on Ethereum, because we're creating an email address without registering any personal account details. So what we'll do here, we'll scroll down. And let's see here. You'll scroll down to, I'll maximize this. And you'll scroll down to, there's a key management web app. Click on that link. And then we're going to click on manage my access keys. And then I'm going to pass this verification test with Google Authenticator. Select all the cars in the picture. I believe that's some cars, and there's some cars there. Okay. Verify. Done. Log in using Ethereum address. All right, so I'm going to allow this connection or request to connect. I'm going to go ahead and connect the key management app over here that we clicked on, that link. And I'm going to connect that app, that web app, to the MetaMask wallet we have here on our Chrome browser. So I'm going to hit connect. Your signature is being requested. You are signing. So I am signing this request for signature to create another key. So we're signing in. Okay, so I'm going to call this ETHMail demo. You can call it whatever you want. I would just maybe call it ETHMail if it's your first account. Then I'm going to hit create. It says your signature is being requested. Go ahead and hit sign. Okay, so there we go. Our username that we've created with the private keys via our MetaMask. So we signed that. We used our private key from the MetaMask wallet over here to create an ETHMail account, essentially. That ETHMail account generated a username. So it's our Ethereum wallet address. Remember, we noted that earlier. It's the Ethereum wallet address for that MetaMask account. Let me copy and paste it. Sorry, it's a little clunky over here because I'm using a screen share. Because again, I like the multimedia tools within Apple. It's a little easier to record, and the sound quality is better. And then the password for this username is going to be this. So copy and paste that password that's assigned to this Ethereum email account. And again, that Ethereum email account is the Ethereum wallet address we created with that MetaMask application. So copy and paste that over, save it. So again, that's the password, okay? And again, I would save these files on a text file or some sort of a secure password manager onto a local USB storage device, a USB drive of some sort, okay? And that's it. So we should be ready to go now. That should be the password. I don't think we have to do this again. Let's see here. It's good to create a new account. Yeah, so I don't think we need to do this again. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I don't think so. So let's go ahead and create our Thunderbird. I'm sorry, our Ethereum mail address. But we're going to need one application to do that, and you can download. You can go to Mozilla Firefox and download the Thunderbird app, and that's an email client, much like Apple Mail or Microsoft Outlook. It's an open source email client manager. So, but I already downloaded this within Ubuntu here. I believe it already came with it. So I'm going to type in Thunderbird. Okay, so the Ethereum name, I'm just gonna leave this as my name. You can call it whatever you want, but the email address, again, as we noted, is going to be this Ethereum email address at ethmail.cc. So copy that, okay, and then I'm gonna copy and paste that over here. And again, the password, the corresponding password generated with that that management key app from the ethmail.cc page is going to be the password. So copy and paste that. Okay. And then hit continue. It should authenticate. Okay, it's done. So let's go ahead and test this. So I've already created an ethmail account, as maybe you've seen on Twitter as a demonstration before. So I'm going to send a message to my other decentralized identity on a Thunderbird account, but that's going to be on my Mac over here, if I can pull it up. Let's see here. I'll store it on the third desktop so we can toggle easily back and forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's create a message here. Let's email. Oops, pardon me. Let's enter that inbox. All right, and then write. And I've already notated this email address on my other account on this text file over here. I'm going to copy and paste that over. Okay, and that's going to be, so I'm going to send it to my other decentralized email address that I created. And again, this is all going to be sent over the Ethereum blockchain here. So let's just go ahead and type in a subject message. Hello, world on Ethereum. I'm just going to copy and paste the same message for the body. Okay, and let's go ahead and send it. There we go, see? So if I pull up my other desktop over here, we received the message. Hello, world on Ethereum. So again, I sent it from my other MacBook, or actually it's a Hackintosh on my network over here. It's tethered to my network. I sent it over from another device on my network to my other iMac, and that was sent via the Ethereum blockchain. So pretty cool stuff. And again, that's from the Ethmail website. It's a pretty cool project. Let's see if we can pull it up again. Where is that? Sorry, I'm not as familiar with the Ubuntu shortcuts here. Pull it up. Typed it in wrong. All right, so yeah, Ethmail, and I actually sent a message to this guy running it, and he said that they do not support encryption yet, but he's working on it. And like I said, it's Gregors Kapowski. But anyway, cool guy, cool product. I think this is one of the coolest things I've seen on Ethereum yet. Again, we didn't need to register any personal details to create an email account, so we essentially were able to send messages over the Ethereum blockchain. And as I understood, this was IMAP. I don't think it's POP3 protocol. Again, if you're familiar with IMAP, that leaves it on cloud. So I haven't tested it yet because I haven't set up another, I guess, test on that. So I wasn't able to confirm, hey, is this like sending and storing messages on a Gmail cloud like server, or am I downloading the message like POP3? As I understood, it's like Gmail. That's how he's describing it here, but he did say the messages aren't encrypted yet. So anyway, I plan to be following this product, and I actually might donate some crypto to this product over here, you can see. But let's just pay attention. Like I said, this is the happy 30th anniversary for the World Wide Web. So very timely screencast over here. So again, Alex Singleton here, another Bucephalus dev tutorial on the books. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.